Hi, third graders. Today you're going to work on the vocabulary pages that are in your reading packet. So go ahead and find the vocabulary pages that say I know my word at the top. Anytime you need more time to write, you can pause this video until you are finished writing and then go ahead and push play when you are ready to keep writing. The first word we are going to focus on is evaluate. So that is going to go in the word box in the center of your graphic organizer. The definition of evaluate is to judge the value or worth of someone or something. Here's how we could use this word in a sentence. The judge will evaluate each contestant in the competition. And then your visual is your picture. This is an example of a picture that you could draw for this word. You do not have to draw this picture. It can be something else. This first place ribbon is just one idea. You may cross out the box that says more. Our next vocabulary word is fact. The definition, or what this means, is a statement that can be proven true or false. We can use the word fact in a sentence, writing something like this. It is a fact that we have 632 kids at Fieldstone. You also need a picture. You can come up with your own idea of a picture as long as it's something that helps you remember what this word means. So just a quick pencil drawing. It doesn't have to be colored or anything fancy. Just decide what is going to help you remember this word and draw that. And then we will be skipping this more box on each one of our graphic organizer pages today. Our next word is opinion. An opinion is a belief, feeling, or judgment held by a person. We can use opinion in a sentence by writing, it is an opinion that Fieldstone is the best school in the STMA district. You do not have to write this down in the more box. I will just explain what this means. So an opinion is what you think about something or what someone thinks about something. And people can argue for different opinions. You can't say that someone's opinion is correct. There's really no right or wrong answer with opinions. So you do not have to write this down. I just wanted to explain that part. You should, however, think of a visual or a picture that is going to help you remember what an opinion is when you see that word again. When you are finished writing your vocabulary pages, save your packet in your red reading folder.